Welcome to the channel, you bunch of garden mangling misfits. Today, we're diving into the best vegetables to grow in May. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie, these tips will sort you out. We're talking bumper crops and a garden bursting with flavor. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get this garden growing. First up, the king of the summer garden, the mighty tomato. Get these beauties in the ground now, and you'll be drowning in juicy, ripe tomatoes come summertime. Tomatoes need space, support, and sunshine, at least 6 hours a day. Give them room to breathe about 2 to 3 feet apart. Stake them to keep them upright and stop those precious fruits from becoming a mushy mess. Water them when the soil is dry an inch down and feed them every couple of weeks. Follow these tips and you'll be swimming in tomatoes all summer long. Next up, we've got cucumbers, the cool, refreshing kings of salads and pickles. These versatile veggies are not only delicious but also incredibly easy to grow in your own backyard. These bad boys are practically begging to be planted in May. Start with good quality seeds or seedlings, and make sure to plant them in well-drained soil. Cucumbers need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day. The more sunlight they get, the better they will grow, producing more fruit. Picking cucumbers regularly encourages them to produce even more. Harvest them when they are firm and green for the best flavor. Keep their soil consistently moist, especially during hot, dry spells. Watering deeply once a week should do the trick. A layer of mulch will help retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. Mulch also helps to regulate soil temperature. Train your cucumbers up a trellis or fence to save space and make harvesting a breeze. This also helps to keep the fruit clean and disease-free. Follow these tips, and you'll be enjoying the crisp, refreshing taste of homegrown cucumbers all summer long. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of biting into a cucumber you've grown yourself. Now let's talk peppers, the fiery devils of the garden. These vibrant and spicy fruits can add a kick to any dish. May is the perfect time to get these babies in the ground. The soil is warming up and the risk of frost has passed. Peppers need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day to thrive. The more sun they get, the better they grow. Make sure the ground is warmed up properly before you plant them out. Cold soil can stunt their growth. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Peppers like consistent moisture, but too much water can lead to root rot. Water them deeply once a week. Peppers are heavy feeders, so give them a good dose of fertilizer every couple of weeks. This will ensure they have all the nutrients they need to produce lots of fruit. When it comes to harvesting peppers, timing is everything. Don't be afraid to pick them early. The more you pick, the more the plant will produce. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to keep producing. Wear gloves if you're handling hot peppers, as their oils can cause skin irritation. Or you'll be feeling the burn for hours. Follow these tips, and you'll have a bountiful pepper harvest. Imagine the satisfaction of picking your own fresh peppers. Get ready to spice up your life with homegrown peppers. Whether you like them mild or hot, there's a pepper variety for everyone. Next on the menu, we've got zucchini, the vegetable that just keeps on giving. This versatile veggie is a staple in many gardens for a reason. Plant just a few zucchini plants, and you'll be drowning in the stuff by midsummer. They grow quickly and produce abundantly, making them a favorite among gardeners. Zucchini are pretty low-maintenance plants, but there are a few things you need to do to ensure a bumper crop. Regular care and attention can make a big difference. Give them plenty of space, about 2 to 3 feet apart. This allows for proper air circulation and helps prevent diseases. They need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Sunlight is crucial for their growth and helps them produce those delicious fruits. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during hot, dry weather. Zucchini plants thrive in well-watered soil, so don't let them dry out. A layer of mulch will help retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. Mulching also helps regulate soil temperature, which is beneficial for the plants. Harvest your zucchini when they're young and tender, about 6 to 8 inches long. This is when they are most flavorful and have the best texture. Follow these tips and you'll have a bountiful zucchini harvest. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and share the abundance with friends and family. Last but not least, we've got beans, the little legumes that pack a big flavor punch. Beans are a great addition to any garden. Beans need plenty of sunlight to thrive, at least 6 hours a day. You can either sow the seeds directly into the ground or start them indoors a few weeks before the last frost. Water them deeply at the base of the plant, avoiding wetting the leaves. A layer of mulch will help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Follow these tips, and you'll have a bountiful bean harvest. Well, there you have it, you garden gangsters. 5 fantastic vegetables that are just begging to be planted in May. Get these beauties in the ground now, and you'll be reaping the rewards all summer long. Remember, gardening is all about trial and error. Don't be afraid to experiment, and don't be discouraged if things don't go perfectly the first time. Just learn from your mistakes and keep on growing. Now get out there, get your hands dirty, and show me what you're made of.